Is ChatGPT in trouble? Bard now has mind-blowing features not available on ChatGPT. Here's everything you need to know about Bard's new upgrade. Some quick update info. Bard is now available in the EU and Brazil. It now has conversation history. Can speak in 40+ languages. Access it for free here, bard.google.com. Now, onto the major upgrades. 1. Multimodal image reading. You can now upload images. Bard can then analyze and respond to the content of the picture. Example, find the recipe for a picture of nachos. 2. Listen. Bard can now read its answers aloud to you. 3. Modify responses. If you're not 100% pleased with Bard's response, you can now make it longer, shorter, simpler, more casual, more professional. Four. Share conversations. Now Bard can export your conversations to share with others as a Gmail draft, Google Doc, public link,